Hello, my good friends out there. Welcome to today's fun Ashanti Twi Lessons. This is your host, Auntie Abba. Today we are going to learn about a simple phrase. Eya freme. Eye a freme. Eya freme. Call me when the need be. Now let's try to use it to form a simple sentence. Se oba frɛ me. Se oba a frɛ me. Se oba frɛ me. When he comes, call me. Se papa no ba frɛ me. Se papa no ba frɛ me. When the man comes, call me. Now, let's go over it slowly. Eya frɛ me. Eye a frɛ me. Eye a frɛ me. Eya frɛ me. Call me when the need be. Se oba frɛ me. Se oba a frɛ me. Se oba frɛ me. When he comes, call me. Se papa no ba frɛ me. Se papa no ba frɛ me. When the man comes, call me. Thanks for listening. But as you all know, we have a Zoom lesson at 11:30 New York time this afternoon. Join us. See you there. Bye.